Hi sweethearts, welcome to my step-by-step guide on draping a woolen threadwork saree, perfect for a classic and elegant look. Hey come, let's begin. This video is special to me because today I am fulfilling a long-time dream by draping a saree for my mom. Basically, she's an expert at draping sarees, making this moment extra meaningful. Join me as we drape this beautiful woolen threadwork saree. This is one of my mom's favorite saree too. As usual here, we have done with the basic tuck. Start making pallu pleats. My small request when making pleats is to love and enjoy the process so that we can achieve perfect pleats. Here I am receiving help from my mom. Secure the pallu pleats with a safety pin so that we can easily make the remaining pleats. Start neatly making pleats one by one. Repeat the process until we reach the desired height of the pallu. Yeah, we have achieved the desired pallu height, so I am securing the pallu pleats with a pin. Here I am starting to arrange the front pleats. I am taking the remaining saree fabric and starting to create the center pleats. I am securing the center pleats with safety pins in two places for a neat drape. Now tuck the center pleats according to your preferred length. Tuck the extra fabric on your right side by facing backward. As a final touch, check the entire draping and correct it for a neat look. Here comes the final outlook of saree draping for my mom. Draping a sari on my mom brings such a special feeling. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, now is the perfect time to practice sari draping on your mom. Give it a try and don't forget to share your pictures in the comments below. Let's enjoy this experience together. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more draping tutorials.